Hi guys, it's finally Friday. I forgot about the joys of driving around Wrocław on Fridays afternoon. The kids went back to school after the COVID lockdowns, so I decided to go to the office today. And I just returned 17 kilometers in a record time of only 1.5 hours. I tried going through the center of the city. Everything was standing, nothing moving. So then I went around the city and it wasn't much better. So only 1.5 hours, probably going through the center would have been 2 hours. Nevertheless, it was worthwhile because I stopped by the local post office and picked up some of the packages from AliExpress. And there's a really interesting one here, a really cool knife. So I think we'll start with this one. It'll be easier to open the other envelopes afterwards. I taped up the package so well, it's impossible to tear it apart. Have you ever seen an amazing knife like this? Nice wooden handles, real damask blade, and a really interesting opening mechanism. Really cool. And on top of that, it seems to be really sharp. Ooh. What a surprise. A package and inside at least 3 other packages. Not 3 but 4. And here the 5th one, which was separate. This is one of those fidget toys which you can flip around. Well, I don't have any flat surface here to show you how it's working, so I'll record a video later and include it here. Including, as part of a set, this nice storage. Really sharp. So another fidget toy. I don't know exactly how it's supposed to work. Oh, there's a small steel ball here, but it's wedged on the side. Okay, so we've got a steel ball and we've got this track inside, and I guess you need to get the ball rolling around the track without falling down. So my daughter will be really happy about this one. was really, really happy about this knife. And what do we have here? Another fidget toy with a ball, which we have to get through this labyrinth. Could this be another fidget toy? Oh. So this is more than a fidget toy. It's one of those IQ toys where you have to fit all these elements so they all fit in the box. So we can close it up. Got a nice instruction here showing how to get them fitted. This is something in German, 24 Problemen. So 24 problems. So I guess these are not instructions how to assemble this, but different initial settings or setups, and then you need to fill in the remaining elements. So hours of fun. This is the last one. This got a bit distorted in transport. This is for like making donuts or any other dough which you deep fry in oil. Right now, when you press this, it seals out the end. It should be the other way around. So when you press, you release the dough, and then it should automatically seal off by itself. So I guess this part has to be put on the other side. So maybe for transfer, they just put it inside. Maybe you need to unscrew this. Yep, you need to unscrew this and put it on the other end. Oh. So now it's the way it's supposed to be. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon. And I'll just go home now to play around with my new cool knife. Amazing.